Hey guys, welcome to my first video, and today I will be shooting my cats with a mega shotgun, Nerf gun. Let's get right to it. It's all locked and loaded, so let's go. Well, I'm not really doing it. This is fake, and I'm gonna scare them. Okay, so let's do this. Sasha, come on. Kitty. Come on, Sasha. Sasha. Okay. She's out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Sasha. Sasha, let's go. Come on, Kitty. Sasha. 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 Okay. I'm in my parent room. Okay, I don't think you're scared of it anymore. Okay, so that was worthless. So I will see y'all in my next video.